What's up, people? It's your girl Tanisha, and yes, I am back in the kitchen with another delicious salmon recipe. Yes, people. So as you can see, I have my salmon and I'm just gonna clean that up and get started. Get off all the scale. Trying to keep the skin on, but this skin doesn't want to stay on, so I'm just gonna take it off. Alright, finished cleaning up my fish. Doesn't take long, so I'm just gonna clean up my area. And then I'm going to wash my fish with some lime. Alright guys, my fish is nice and clean up. I rinse it off with some lemon. And I'm going to just season that up right now. Sprinkle some black pepper. Some complete seasoning. Use any complete seasoning you have. Some jerk seasoning, my favorite. And some fish seasoning. Then you're gonna flip it and do the same thing to the other side. And I'm also going to put a little bit of oregano. I'll just pat it in there when I get the seasoning to soak in. Right guys, if your fish have on the seasoning, the skin and the back, then you don't need to season that part. But if it's no seasoning, you season both sides. So that have the skin on, so I won't put any seasoning where the skin is. Yes, guys, give me a time. Alright, guys, I'm going to fry my salmon. So I have my pot and I add some olive oil. Let the oil hot and then add your salmon. Yes, guys, give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, time to fry your salmon. Meanwhile, I'm gonna chop my onion. Okay, leaving the skin on was a bad idea. I'm going to remove the skin from the pan. Alright, guys, my salmon is fried and I rest it aside, and I'm just going to chop up some onion and some pepper, some bell pepper, green and red bell pepper. Can use yellow if you have yellow. Then some scallion. Some thyme. And then I'm just going to cut up some garlic. Right. That's all your ingredients. Alright, I cleaned my frying pan and I had some olive oil and I had all my seasoning to saute. So I'm just going to let that saute for a minute. You want to let it sauteed and get translucent and all the flavor comes out into the pot. Then I'm going to go in with some Pinot Grigio, some Italian white wine. Well, I'm not sure where the white wine is from, but this is so Italian style. Let that simmer. Add a little some pepper, oregano, and some salt. Mix that in. Then some coconut milk. some butter, low heat because you want it to take its time and just simmer together. Oh my God, that smells so good. I'm going to make sure taste it. Make sure say it tastes good. Add a little spice to it. A little fish cube. Good. Look at all that cream. That's coconut milk. Then I'm going to add the salmon. Very easy, delicious. Add your thyme. Now scrape out your juice, because that juice that tastes good. Cover it up and let it simmer. After about a minute, you want to get that juice all over your salmon. That delicious, scrumptious, it tastes good. Jesus. You want to get it all over your salmon. And trust me, you can have this with rice, spaghetti, a side of vegetable, anything. 2 dumpling and banana. This tastes good, man. I laugh. Cover it up and let it simmer a little bit. Alright, after, you're going to flip it because you want to get the juice all over into the fish. You want when you eat the fish, you just taste that wine and coconut sauce. Oh my God. So you're going to flip it and let the other side cook. Okay guys, so I flip it back to the front and then I'm just going to sprinkle a little basil and some parsley. And trust me people, this smells good and it tastes good and it's ready to eat. Oh my God, look how delicious that is. And I'm going to add a little lemon juice. Yes, guys, lemon juice. I could get a kick. Oh my God, that just looks so good. Enjoy, guys. Trust me, want to try this recipe? Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe.